Time is barely on our side.
Hello friend, welcome to Hunt Electronics and this is your friend Shakib, and in today's technical session we are going to convert our ordinary traditional wall clock into an infinity clock mirror. So you can see this, I've taken an traditional wall clock and we are going to convert this wall clock into the infinity clock mirror. So my dear friend, for this you require one RGB LED strip as shown in the video, power adapter 12 volt for RGB strip, RGB light controller with remote control. Then you required a film for a glass and a flexible mirror which is available at DIY. So first remove the battery of the wall clock and we'll start disassembling the clock with the help of screwdriver as shown in the video.
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my
So now my dear friend, take a flexible mirror and mark a clock diameter circle.
shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and
And once done with a marking of a clock diameter, please cut it with the scissor or any other cutting tool. So now you can see we have cut the mirror into the clock diameter in a round shape. Now mark the center of the clock and make a drill hole at the center on the mirror. Now you can paste the mirror on the clock frame as shown in the video. Now make a hole at any one side of the corner of a watch so that we can connect a LED strip and we can make a wiring of the LED strip through that hole as shown in the video. Now let us make a LED RGB strip connection. Now insert the RGB wires from the hole which I have made on the one side of the clock, and let us start pasting our RGB LED strip around the clock as shown in the video. So my dear friend, we can see that we have done with a LED light sticking on the frame of a LED clock as shown in the video. So let's start with the connecting the RGB light controller which is easily available in the market. For this you require some professional guidance, so you can go through the video properly. So friend, as we have done with connecting RGB LED and a controller, let us connect the power supply and turn on and just cross verify whether it is working. So you can see it is working very nicely, very beautiful. Okay, so we can change all the colors. We have got a different types of color. You can set any type of colors as per the requirement with the help of a remote control. Now take a front glass of a clock and we have to paste a lamination screen as shown, sticker as shown in the video. Okay, so it is just like a sticker, you have to stick it on the glass so that we can create a reflection like a mirror. So now we can see that we have finished with a sticking and a lamination to the clock. Now remove the upper cover of a mirror. Yes, you can see that. Great. Now my friend, mark a clock digits on the mirror as I have shown with a fluorescent sticker paper. I have just marked clock numbers and let us fit now a clock machine.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these.
Now one by one let us start fitting a clock needles. So this is our needle, minute needle and second needle hand. Now let us fit the cover glass of the clock as we have removed the laminated cover glass which will act like a reflection mirror.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Now once we have done with all the stuff, please now place a battery which we have already removed and just see whether it is working. Yes, now the clock is working and my friend, everything is ready. Now just connect the power supply adapter to the LED controller. Okay, and now just simply turn on the power supply and you can see our LED infinity mirror clock is ready. Isn't it awesome, my dear friend? So simply my dear friend, for more technical session like this, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube video to all your friends. You can create this infinity mirror at the home and you can just decorate your hall and you can impress your friends and all family member during this Diwali, Christmas and Eid festivals.